Enhancing Flavors with Spices, a guide to elevating your cooking. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting aspect of cooking and language, understanding what it means to enhance with spices. This phrase is not just about cooking. It's a wonderful way to explore English language nuances and expand your culinary vocabulary. So, let's embark on this flavorful journey together. When we talk about enhancing with spices, we're referring to the process of adding various spices to a dish to improve its flavor, aroma, and color. Spices, ranging from black pepper and cinnamon to turmeric and cumin, are powerful tools in cooking. They can transform a simple meal into a delightful experience. The word enhance means to improve the quality, value, or extent of something. Therefore, enhancing with spices literally means making your food better by using these flavorful additions. Enhancing with spices does more than just make food taste better. It's a cultural journey. Different cultures use spices in unique ways, reflecting their culinary traditions and histories. By learning to enhance with spices, you're not just improving your cooking. You're embracing global cultures and histories. Moreover, spices are known for their health benefits, including anti-inflammatory properties and metabolism-boosting effects. 1. Start small. If you're new to using spices, start with small amounts. You can always add more, but you can't take it away once it's in the dish. 2. Toast your spices. Toasting spices in a dry pan can unlock their flavors, making your dishes even more aromatic and tasty. 3. Mix and match. Don't be afraid to experiment with different spice combinations. The beauty of cooking lies in experimentation and discovery. 4. Understand flavor profiles. Some spices work well together, while others might not. Learning about flavor profiles can help you make better choices when enhancing your dishes with spices. Enhancing with spices is an art that can elevate your cooking from good to extraordinary. It's not just about the flavors. It's about the stories, cultures, and traditions behind those spices. We hope this video inspires you to explore the world of spices and incorporate them into your cooking. Remember, the key to mastering the use of spices is experimentation and enjoyment. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!